home. If you're not feeling like a ton of symptoms, it's not urgent. I mean, it's not urgent. You shouldn't say that. Like, depends on what your labs show, but you'll probably go home. But even let's just say that things are a bit high and your labs are normal, then what will happen is that you'll go for labs every couple of days to kind of monitor that things stay normal.
I just realized that it has been 2 months, which is kind of cool. This is my little study break to say hi, and I'm so excited to see you in a few months. I catch myself daydreaming about it, probably more often than I should be. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi and thanks, and you're great.
Dear Janelle, remember back to our early days when we used to send each other those video clips back and forth? That first year of long distance was rough. I certainly don't miss counting down the days and the minutes to when I could finally drive to the airport and just see your face again, to finally hold you again. I'm feeling some of that same anticipation now. From where I write you, I can see the lawn and the chairs are getting set up for the ceremony. Today is our wedding day. I wish I could have spent the morning with you. That's maybe one thing about today I would have changed so far. I have been in good company though, starting down at the beach with the guys. I've been asked several times already if I'm nervous. I guess that's the classic wedding day question, isn't it? I'm not so sure how I feel about this whole not getting to see you till the wedding starts thing, but I'm sure that moment's gonna be special. Has anyone asked you if you're nervous yet? Are you, Janelle? I realized as I've slowed down to write you here that I am nervous. Or maybe it's more of a fear. Fear that maybe I'm not all the man that you think that I am. That maybe our whole relationship so far, I've still managed to keep up a good enough version of myself that over time may slip. And once you see me for all that I am, for all of my flaws, your love will fade. I fear losing this, Janelle. I fear losing you.
We're engaged!
Janelle, you asked me once if this life we were choosing, if getting married, would be an exciting enough adventure for me. I can still picture that concerned look in your eyes. And you were worried that you would somehow over time tame my ambition, as if one day I would lose excitement over us. I guess we both have our fears. So Janelle, today on our wedding day, let's face our fear together. You are the friend I want to face life with. my adventure buddy, my companion. Something I'm learning through all of this is that fear can help guide us to what is most important, to truly show us what we care about most and would do anything to keep from losing. We may wake up one day and realize that we have changed. Maybe we have grown apart. But the great adventure will be to rediscover what we had all over again. To learn more and more each day what it truly means to love each other and to love others. So Janelle went in for kind of a routine checkup as part of the process this morning, and her blood pressure was reading really high, kind of out of the blue. So they admitted her to the hospital for some more stress tests and various things and doing blood work, and the lab work didn't come back great. So they are now keeping her here at the hospital, and as the doctor was saying, because our baby girl is full term, the best way to help out Janelle in this case is to meet the baby. So it's the day before our anniversary. This is all pretty wild and happening in a different way than we expected, but we might be meeting our baby girl tomorrow. So precious.
You want to hold her?
Dear Ember,